Have you ever wondered what an oasis really is? Let's dive into the fascinating world of oases, those unexpected pockets of life in the heart of some of the world's harshest deserts. An oasis is a fertile spot in a desert where water is found. This might be a natural spring, a pond, or even a small lake, and it's this precious water that makes all the difference. Because of these water sources, oases are able to support plant life and sometimes even entire communities. Let's get specific. Most oases form when underground rivers called aquifers bubble up to the surface through cracks in the earth. Sometimes humans dig wells or channels to tap into these hidden reserves. The result? A burst of green in a landscape that's otherwise dry and unforgiving. One of the most famous oases in the world is the Siwa Oasis in Egypt, located between the Qattara Depression and the Egyptian Sand Sea. Siwa is packed with date palms, olive trees, and even ancient ruins. For thousands of years, travelers on the Silk Road and other trade routes relied on oases like Siwa to rest, resupply, and survive the long, harsh journeys across the desert. So, why are oases so important? In deserts, water means life, literally. Oases provide essential resources: fresh water, shade, and food. They often become the center of local economies, with farmers growing crops like dates, citrus, and wheat. But it's not just plants and people who rely on oases. Animals like camels and birds all depend on these spots for survival. In many cases, an oasis acts as a tiny ecosystem, supporting a surprising amount of biodiversity. You might be thinking, can oases disappear? Unfortunately, yes. Overuse of water, climate change, and shifting sands can dry up an oasis over time. That's why protecting these fragile environments is so important. These days, scientists study oases to learn about groundwater resources and how people can live sustainably in extreme environments. Technologies like drip irrigation and water recycling are helping to keep oases alive, even as deserts expand. So next time you hear the word oasis, remember, it's much more than a watering hole. It's a lifeline for people, plants, and animals, and a testament to the power of nature to create hope in the unlikeliest places.